I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so open Google Contacts now and focus on restoring contacts. First, verify you're in the correct account because exports and restores apply per account. Once in Contacts, click More on the left and choose Undo Changes or Trash depending on what happened. This is faster than manual fixes. Make sure to scan labels to confirm which group lost entries. This step prepares the system so you can confidently pick a restore point or recover specific deleted contacts. Now choose how to restore. Undo changes is ideal when recent mass edits or accidental merges occurred. Pick a time window and apply it, because this reverses all changes to that moment. Once done, make sure to inspect labels and merged contacts to confirm names and emails returned. If contacts were fully deleted and aren't in trash, import a CSV or vCard backup you exported earlier. Also remember to check synced devices. Sometimes changes propagate from phone sync. Finish by verifying all contacts and each relevant label to ensure data integrity. Look for duplicates or incorrect merges and use the Merge and Fix tool as needed. If some contacts remain missing, re-import your backup CSV or vCard and then check Gmail and device sync settings so entries propagate. If issues persist, clear browser cache or app data, sign out and sign back in, and force a device sync. This resolves most sync conflicts and completes the restore process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.